Welcome to my channel. This video shows trains which departs from Munich main station to regions in Germany. The ICE, that is Intercity Express, is a high-speed train that connects all major cities in Germany. With speeds up to 300 km per hour, this is one of the fastest ways to travel between cities such as Berlin, Hamburg and Cologne. The ultra-modern ICE trains are among the most technologically advanced and comfortable trains in Europe. Next part of video. The IRE train is the direct train connection in Germany. It links possible regions, but it doesn't stop at all stations. It gains speed of up to 270 km per hour. They additionally serves a few objections in Austria, Denmark, which are stopped in 2017, however continuing in 2022 France, Belgium, Switzerland and the Netherlands generally as a component of cross-boundary administrations. It is the most elevated Helpa class of rail and the main train of the German state rail route, Deutsche Bahn. There are as of now 259 train sets being used. ICE trains are the most elevated class, that is class A trains in the passage arrangement of the Deutsche Bahn. Their charges are not determined on a fixed per kilometer table similarly as with different trains, yet rather have fixed costs for station-to-station associations, collected in light of the fact that the ICE trains have a more significant level of solace. Going at speeds up to 320 km per hour, that is 200 miles per hour, they are custom fitted for business explorers or significant distance suburbanites and are promoted by Deutsche Bahn as an option in contrast to flights. They takes only 1-2 stops, hence are very fast. Regional express, that is RE trains, are for long distance and local connections. RE is good option along with S-Bahn trains. S-Bahn, that is suburban, gives good frequency and connections to all the cities and villages in big Munich region. It is very ideal public transport for all surroundings. We suggest arranging your courses around Munich on a guide of the public vehicle organization. You'll find the fundamental vacation destinations, the air terminal and both the S-Bahn and U-Bahn lines on this convenient guide, which you can download and save money on your cell phone. The Munich Public Vehicle Network likewise has a free application that you can use to design your excursions around the city. MVV app. The S-Bahn works day to day from around 4:15 a.m. to 1 a.m., with trains running like clockwork in busy time and at regular intervals during the remainder of the day. Around evening time, trains withdraw each 20 to 40 minutes. On Fridays, Saturdays and the evenings before open occasions, trains run all as the night progressed. U-Bahn, that is underground trains. The U-Bahn trains, which runs an underground or subway system for Munich. It is electric fast public transport in Munich and very convenient for people. There are U1, U2, U3, U4, U5, U6, U7, U8 types of underground trains. About booking of tickets or online ticket purchasing, person can go to any train station and operate the automat machines by using any mode of payments, like bank cards, cash. To save time of purchase during rush hours, one can purchase tickets online and save the QR code or show the saved online ticket to ticket collector or controller. There is special mobile app called DB Navigator which can be downloaded. Upon filling up details with bank details, anyone can instantly book ticket prior the journey. For local trains, one can buy Streifen card, that is strip ticket, which has to be stamped according to how many stations one has to travel before boarding train. In case of journey without ticket, ticket controller can fine €60 to purchase the proper tickets prior journey. I hope the video gave you some information about trains in Germany. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe.